Hello guys, good day. Hope you had a wonderful day. Alright, so we're going to be making moi-moi today. So to make moi-moi, I'm going to be using my pepper. Add as much as you want. It all depends on your taste. Okay, I'm also going to be using tatashi, using shombo. This is going to give the taste, that flavor and color. So I'm going to be using onion. I also have crayfish. So I'm going to blend all this together. I have everything in the blender. So you can see the crayfish, everything inside. So I'm going to be blending everything. It's going to be a very smooth blend until it forms a puree. Okay. So I'm also going to be using fish. I parboiled and deboned it, and I'm going to be adding eggs into it. I'm done with the blending. You can see it. So that's the stock I used to parboil the fish. So I'm still going to use the stock. I'll be adding the blended tomato, pepper, and crayfish and onion into it. All right, I'm going to be using beans flour. So if you're going to be using ordinary beans, you're going to blend all this with the beans. Okay, so you don't have so much water. Since I'm using beans flour, so I really need it to be a little bit I need it to be the texture to be like this. When I add the beans flour into it, I turn it, becomes a bit solid. So I added into it. I'm going to stir this beans flour. I got it in the market, so that's yummy food, yummy food. So I'm adding it into the mixture. Okay, so you add in bits and you stir till you get the consistency that you actually want. So alright, so when I'm done with this part, I'll show you what it looks. So I'm done. This is the consistency I'm going for. So I think I'm okay with this one. Okay, so we're going to add a little bit of curry to make it appear more beautiful. That's just it. So I'm going to be adding salt. Please taste and add, so you don't add so much. So I'm also going to be using ajinomoto seasoning. So at this point, I'm going to taste to make sure I have all my ingredients in the right proportion. I must tell you, it tastes great. Okay, so you've noticed I've not added the fish. Well, you can add the fish here and scoop it into your plate, or you can scoop in your plate and add the fish. All right, so I like to add the fish in the nylon because I want to be sure that every portion there's fish in all, so that you don't actually put all the fish in a particular portion, leaving the rest. Okay, so we've come to the part of the moi-moi that I don't enjoy doing at all, and that's scooping it into the nylons. I don't enjoy doing this part. Okay, so we're going to be scooping it into this nylon. You can use a plate if you have a plate. Okay, so I have the quantity I want inside. So right now I'm going to be adding the fish into it. So I'm adding the fish into it. And I'm also going to be adding egg into it. So I'm done with this. So you can see it. We're done with this. I'm going to be knotting it and repeating the process for the rest. So I'll show you when we come back. See? Alright, so this is what came out. 7. Okay. Alright, so we're going to cook it for at least 30 minutes until it thickens. You're going to confirm when it's cooked. So the moi-moi is ready. So I cooked it for about 45 minutes. Okay, so you can see it's ready. So let's do the tasting. So look at it. Wow, looking all good. I must tell you, this is good. This is good. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Okay, that's the only way you can tell me I am doing a good job and you're helping this channel grow. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It's you who made this dream possible. Thank you. Bye for now.